Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to English for Backbenchers. Today's mission: decoding the secrets behind capitalization rules. Capital letters are like the VIPs of our sentences. We use them at the beginning of sentences to give them a strong start. Proper nouns, which are specific names like Sarah and New York, always get capitalized. And don't forget to use a capital I when referring to yourself. Capital letters make our writing clear and proper. Take a look at these instances of capitalization rules. Example number 1. Proper nouns. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 2. Beginning of sentences. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 3. Titles and headings. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 4. Days of the week. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 5. Months. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 6. Geographical names. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 7. Institutions and organizations. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 8. Brand names. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 9. Nationalities and languages. Incorrect version, correct version. Example number 10. Historical events. Incorrect version, correct version. Well done, language explorers. You have nailed the art of capitalization rules. Don't click away just yet. More grammar adventures await.